In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select About Tablet, and here locate software information. And here you will notice build number. You need to tap on it 7 times. And as you can see, then just provide your pattern if you have one, and if you don't, your developer panel will be unlocked automatically. Then let's go back. And from now on, developer options are at the bottom of settings list. Just click to open. And here you've got the access to all developer options. You can smoothly use them. Then whenever you'd like to switch developer panel off, just unmark the switcher. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.